Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the highest quality file and duplicating the background so you never alter originals. Once done, enable rulers and set units to pixels or inches to measure distortion precisely. You should also check image resolution and lens exif in camera raw to confirm focal length. This helps later with automatic corrections. Next, convert to a smart object so filters remain editable. That makes it easy to tweak corrections without loss. Now you're ready to apply lens fixes. You'll go to Filter Lens Correction and start with the Auto tab. Photoshop often reads the exif and applies a lens profile automatically, which fixes barrel or pincushion distortion. If profile data is missing, switch to Custom and use Remove Distortion slider while watching grid or guides. Small steps work best. Then correct vertical and horizontal perspective with transform controls to square up lines. Make sure to keep the image as a smart filter so you can revisit these adjustments later. To finish, use Filter Adaptive Wide Angle for complex curvature. Draw constraint lines along straight elements and nudge them until they align. This fixes wide-angle bending precisely. Once satisfied, crop to remove irregular canvas edges, and if gaps remain, use Content-Aware Fill or Clone to reconstruct missing areas. Make sure to turn on Snap to Grid when aligning to avoid subtle skew. Finally, export as TIFF or Max Quality JPEG. If lines still look off, revisit the smart filters and fine-tune the constraint lines.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.